Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Mizocom. Today's video is about Umkhokha the curse. Now Tembu and Mzobe's family, they made a peace to each other. They ate and hugged each other. Mamzobe was happy and she said, Tembu, he's still alive, because they thought their case is over and they're going to start their life afresh. Then Mamzobe went to her room just to relax as everything going well. Yo, boom, Umzobe enters to Mtenjiwe's room. When she saw him, she said, Father, what are you doing here? Because Mabusi and Mzamcolo told me that they found your body and they hit you with the aim of removing Umkhokha on it. Then Mzobe said, Tenjiwe, how come Khokha must stop while you're still alive? Do you remember the day you went to the forest next to the tree that I hung myself on it? There were 5 cats rope there. The other one was yours. There it is. Take it and hang yourself. Mamzobe denies. Her father forces her to do. Difa arrived at home to tell Mamzobe a juicy news. Juicy news from Sfokia. Sfokia said, Dlovu is very well, just like he never got sick. When he enters on Tenjiwe's room, he found Tenjiwe hang herself. He was very confused and he said, no, 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 no. And he remembered the day Mamzobe and him found Mtombizoto Busisiwe Mzobe, his baby mother, hang herself. Now it's Mamzobe on the same situation. Difa was seated there and cried because he cried a lot on previous cases. He called Manzimande and her brother to show them what they saw. They entered at the room and found Mamzobe's body hanged, and Manzimande screams. When Kapsile heard that, she rushed to the room and she saw her mother's body hanged, and she cried. Manzimande held her and she said, I'm sorry, my child. On that situation, Difa ended up said marrying into Mzobe's family was a curse. Yeah, Spamandla is praying to his father, thanks him for everything, because everything was going well now. While he was praying, he had a strange feeling. Then he said, no, it's better to go home. He went home very excited, calling Maqabe, Maqabe, where are you, my love? He opens the door. He found Maqabe hang herself. He cried, thinking, how come? Why Maqabe do this after everything she did? He tried to wake her up because all what happened, it was like a dream to him. But it was too late. And he also said marrying into Mzobe's family was a curse. On the other side, there was Uvulindlela, who was crying, carrying that dangerous bag. Guys, it was the end of Umkhokha. Now, Umkhokha is going to be replaced by Itonga. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.